This one's a super quick chapter. Chapter 13, Boogeyman Dreams. Lita sleeps with Mom, Pop. One night in how many? Hundreds? I get to sleep by myself. I should be nice and invite Ray off the floor, but he's burping from too much junk food. We sleep in a tiny, dim square. Oh, look at dim. That's a vocabulary word. Dark shadows, hidden feelings. I don't know why Ma babies Pop. He doesn't cough all the time, but he still acts sick. I wish I could see where, understand why. It'd make everything easier. If I if he had a cast, I'd write my name on it. Pop's wrong. The tower's falling means something else the school wouldn't be teaching it. Think critically. Ben, Sabine, and me all felt something, but I think we all felt something different. Muslims, terrorists. Why Sabine crying? Was Sabine crying because she thought me and Ben would think less of her? Being Muslim doesn't make her that's less than. Sabine's the nicest girl I've ever met. I turn onto my side, facing the blank wall. Ben's drawings show what he's lost. I can draw as well as him. I can't draw as well as him, but I draw circles. Me in one, my family in another. Our circles overlap just barely. Families can break. If I want to go to a new school, my circle of friends will break. I close my eyes. I'm so sad, knowing what I know now. I wish I hadn't seen the video. I open my eyes. Is it true? I punch the pillow and feel the sheet to my neck. I pull the sheet up to my neck. Sleep, I tell myself. Sleep. I'm in Ben's room, in front of his computer. I hear a whirling howl. Outside, I see a plane. I scream, "Stop!" But the huge silver plane, pointy like a bullet, keeps getting bigger and bigger, keeps flying toward and through the window into me. Now look at what the author did here. They made it italics. They used italics for this part. What do you think that means? Why did the author do that? If you're thinking that's what she's dreaming, that's probably right. But there's even a deeper meaning. Why do you think she says it's coming into her? We'll talk about that next time you come to class.